gas and smallest planet with one moon. The end. Or is it?
The word planet is something that humans made up. Pluto's still there. I don't think there are any Plutonians who are the slightest bit concerned about what we call them. However, it should be noted that Pluto is smaller than the Earth's moon, and it's one of many, many hundreds, maybe hundreds of thousands of icy objects out there. So I have no problem with Pluto no longer being considered a traditional planet. Instead, now, Pluto is the first among its own class of planets, called a class of objects called the Plutoids. Oh, that's cool. Be a Plutoid.
Hello, my name is Riley, and this is my presentation for astronomy. The topic that I've chosen to discuss is the dwarf planet Pluto. This is an important topic to talk about because growing up in school, I learned that there were 9 planets in the solar system. This concept is seen in the first 2 Bill Nye the Science Guy videos, which was released in 1998, almost 20 years ago. When Pluto was changed to a dwarf planet in 2006, myself and many others who learned the original concept of the solar system did not understand why this change occurred. This new concept is seen in the second Bill Nye the Science Guy video, where he talks about why Pluto got changed to a dwarf planet and why it is not a bad thing. Since there are only a handful of dwarf planets, there are still many questions about how and why they came to exist. In order to get an understanding of this concept, some specific topics that I will be discussing are: what is a planet? What is a dwarf planet? How to tell the difference between them, and the Kuiper Belt, where Pluto is located. During this presentation, I would like to educate people about how and why this change occurred. I believe that educating people about this concept will help them understand how this is a good thing for our solar system, and it might help us locate other dwarf planets.